Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a 7-minute chest workout that you absolutely can't miss. So, let's get pumped and ready to hit the gym. We'll start with an exercise that targets your lower chest. Don't worry, it's simple yet effective. Just follow me, and you'll see how it's done. Now, let's move on to an exercise that specifically targets the middle part of your chest. We'll be incorporating both push-ups and dumbbells for this section. Trust me, you'll feel the burn in no time. Next up, we're focusing on the upper chest area. I have a fantastic exercise ready for you, the incline dumbbell fly. You might not have heard of it before, but trust me, it works wonders. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. Finally, we'll be tackling the outer chest with one of my all-time favorite exercises, the dumbbell lateral raise. This workout is perfect for targeting those hard-to-reach muscles and making your chest pop like never before. For those who love visuals, I highly recommend checking out my video on this topic as well. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for joining me today in this 7-minute chest workout. If you found this routine helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workouts. Happy lifting, and see you next time.